Good day everyone. My name is Jian Wei and I am Lead System Engineer from NH2. Today I will be covering on native SACM solutions. So for the agenda, I will be talking about the Microfocus suite which involves in this solution, brief introduction on native SACM and finally showcase some use case scenarios from the product itself. For the Microfocus suite involves in this solution, we have SMAX which stands for Service Management Automation X and also CMS Configuration Management System. SMAX is an ITSM and service desk solution. It is an application suite for IT service management, IT asset management and enterprise service management built on a single platform, and it is based on machine learning and analytics. CMS includes tools for collecting, managing, and presenting data about all configuration items and their relationships. CMS consists of UD, Universal Discovery, and UCMDB, Universal CMDB. For the demo session, I will be showcasing on the SACM, Service Asset and Configuration Management, Incident and Change Management module, and also on the UCMDB. SACM maintains information about the configuration items and their relationships required to deliver an IT service. So what is native SACM? Native SACM is one single solution for the entire service asset and configuration management process with instant access to the data and embedded graphical widgets for CI topology representation. Native SACM is a natively connected solution that enables bidirectional data federation between SMAX and CMS. SMAX native SACM provides up-to-date CI attributes and relationships, and associated service models to improve the quality of the SACM data and decrease the manual effort required to define and maintain service models. Today, business challenges in most of the organizations are having difficulty identifying and maintaining relationships between CI providing in a service. They are also having difficulty getting and maintaining service asset data and ensuring good data quality to support decisions and problem solving. So with native SACM, we can address two of these business challenges. Do you know which infrastructure items are behind the business services in your organization? Do your agents struggle to understand who, or what is impacted by an incident or could be impacted by a planned change? So with native SACM solutions, all these can be visible to the customer. Okay, next I will be showing you some use case scenario for the native SACM solutions. This is the system UI of CMS, which is the UCMDB browser. From here, we can see all the inventory lists in our organization, such as servers, databases, applications, software and network equipments. And with native SACM, all these inventory information will be synchronized to SMAX to be used in IT operations. So we can see here that the list of servers and peripheral devices are already synchronized to SMAX. For our first use case, I will be covering on higher quality data can support in troubleshooting. For this scenario, I will manually log an incident reporting an outage of an Exchange server, EXCAS1. This incident could have been logged manually or created from an escalated support request or created via Microfocus Operations Bridge automated monitoring solution. We can see that the Exchange server, EXCAS1 is automatically detected as ACI with SMAX fast CI detecting feature. The detected CI will be highlighted and added to the related CI list for this ticket. Once this ticket is saved, we can click into the Involved CI tab to see the list of CI involved in this ticket. Next, let's click into the related CI to see more information from this CI. From here we can check the OS name, host name, hardware and software information, such as CPU, memory size and file system. All these information is actually being synchronized to SMAX from CMS, and this is one of the good feature of native SACM. Then we can click on the Show Impact button to see what are the business services or devices which may be affected. From the impact analysis results, we can see that this server is hosting many applications such as Microsoft SharePoint, Microsoft MQ Manager. So if this server is down, there will be impacts on these applications. Seeing that if this server is down, there will be an impact to the high-priority business applications. We can update the impact of this ticket from site or department to enterprise. The priority of the ticket will auto-classify as high so that this ticket will be treated with higher priority and appropriate escalation and notification procedures can be applied. For this scenario, the incident agent who works on this ticket is a Microsoft Exchange subject matter expert. The agent found out some known issues with similar symptoms that occur when an Exchange server is configured with less than 32 GB of memory. It will require a special patch. Checking from the involved C of this server, we can see that the memory size of this server is less than 32 GB. This shows that the detailed hardware and software inventory information is required for troubleshooting by incident analysts to help make better decisions. Next we will go to the CMS interface and check for the list of servers which has less than 32 GB memory and running Microsoft Exchange Server to apply the special patch to all applicable Exchange servers. With quality CI attribute data allows more effective change planning to ensure patches and fixes are applied to all the appropriate CI. UCMDB browser powerful natural language search feature allows user to search for servers with specific attribute values running specific software easily. This list of the applicable servers can be used to populate the change record later. Once we have exported out the server lists, we can copy them easily. Now we will navigate back to SMAX UI. From this ticket, we can instantly create a change record. The list of servers can easily be copy and paste to the description of the change record. This feature is very helpful, especially when there is a long list of CI to be added. Once we have saved the ticket, next we're going to schedule a date to proceed with the change request. Let's drill down into the business service for this change record and check if there is any maintenance window defined for this business service. We can see that there is a maintenance period. Now go back to the change record and click on the Schedule tab. The change calendar will show all the maintenance window for all the affected services, any blackout period, holiday period and downtime. Let's click on the calendar to schedule a date. We can set the change duration and click on the Suggest Next Available window. The system will automatically select the next available maintenance window to schedule for this change. We can see that if the change is scheduled outside a maintenance window, there will be a warning to indicate that the schedule time is breached. This use case demonstration shows how valuable the impact analysis information is for risk assessment and change scheduling. The change calendar made it very easy to schedule the change into the proper maintenance window. So that's all my sharing for today. I hope you have learned something and have a great day.